Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle, and if you are new here, welcome to my little section of the internet. If you are a returning subscriber, hi, I appreciate you. Today I have a cutesy little unboxing pack with me, what's in my bag video going on today with my new work bag, the Longchamp Le Pliage in black and brown. First things first, the bag comes really nicely packaged and already folded. If you're not familiar with these Longchamp bags, which have been around for like many years, and the bag can fold all the way up like this. It's basically, this part is made of like nylon, and then this is leather. This brown bit is leather, and I love that they have gold detailings because I wear a lot of golds and that's really my aesthetic. And then, you know, they have the Longchamp at the back, the logo at the front. So it's really cute, really nice. So I got, this is the black and the brown. I got this one in the size large because I wanted to replace my old work bag. My work bag was on its last legs. It was a great leather bag that I had from Mango, but something else that I wanted besides durability and size is that I really wanted a bag with a zip. And you'll notice that a lot of work bags, big totes, city bags, they don't have zips. They're pretty much just big open bags so you can toss everything in. But especially, you know, I live in Jamaica, and I'm not saying somebody's gonna steal my bag, but I'm not trying to be, or steal something in my bag, but I'm not necessarily trying to just walk around and be a target with a big open bag. So I definitely wanted a bag that could zip, and also I wanted a bag that would be able to hold like my laptops. I could take them to cafes and stuff and look very chic. I do want to buy the paper color, which is the white color, but in the smaller size, in the medium or in the small, just for a more like casual, lighter color. But this one I know is about to be my work bag, my everyday bag. So you can unbutton it like this and it opens up into this larger bag. For reference, I'm 5'7", and this is how the bag looks on me. This is the size of the bag. I think it's fine, even though I'm quite slim. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. So let's get into packing up. I have pretty much everything that I put into my work bags on the side here. So let's go ahead and pack and do what's in my bag. I already went ahead and tested out what fits in here and what I have in here. So let's get into a what's in my bag, just so you have an idea of what fits, and just like, you know, let's get into the what's in my work bag video. This nylon material, I will say I'm very happy for it because it allows for me to be able to really stuff this bag without it feeling atrociously heavy, which was something that was very hard with my past work bag. So I actually bought a bag insert. I got it on Amazon and it was really just sitting in my house waiting for me to bring the Longchamp bag home so that I can pack it in. But I got it, and I got the one that is specifically angled so that it follows the natural shape of the bag, because as you can see, the bag has that natural like angular shape to the sides and a very beautiful silhouette, might I add. This one's a felt material and it has pockets on the outside. It has a cup, a bottle holder, a big space inside, has some extra space here. This is the space that I actually used to fit my water bottle because my water bottle is it's a pretty big Yeti. A zipped pocket here as well, so you get an extra zip space. Even with the bag insert, and I got the large size, and it still fits all the way to the sides and gives the bag a nice shape without it looking too bulky. First things first, my laptop. This is the 13-inch MacBook Air, and it fits perfectly into this bag. I think this bag, this size laptop, also fits into the medium size Le Pliage, but I knew I wanted the large because this is my everyday, and I always got stuff in my bag. And sometimes I have two laptops because my work laptop is 15 inches. So if I gotta take my work laptop home for whatever reason, or if I'm traveling with it, this at least gives me the option that I can put both of the laptops into that bag, or the work laptop can fit into my bag. I always have a pair or two of sunglasses. These are my black YSL Sunnies. I love these. I just think they're so They're so chic and just so pretty. Then I always have some sort of pouch. This is just like a little feminine pouch. I had actually gotten this pouch from United in their business class many years ago, and it's such a nice durable pouch that I kept it. Whenever I have my laptop, I always have my external drive and just this memory hub for my laptop, card holders and extra USB-Cs and HDMI. My glasses, these are my glasses from Firmo. Sometimes I have 2 pairs of glasses. These are the blue ones. This is just for my safety. I don't know if I can really talk too much in depth about it on YouTube, but I do always keep like pepper spray and some other like safety tools in my bag. I always have some sort of perfume, either a travel size perfume or literally a whole box of perfume. Some lip balms. This is just the Fenty Beauty Heat lip gloss, and then this is the Laneige Almost Done. Really love this stuff. Of course, AirPods. I cannot survive an entire day at work without music, without my AirPods, even when you're coming on to meetings. I just never really like to be that person who's on a meeting out loud and the person in the office next to me can hear. Then I just have a pack of tissues. Then the next thing I have is my huge Yeti. This is a 750 mls or the 26 ounce Yeti. It's very big and round and it fits perfectly. It fits all the way and it can zip all the way. Then I also have this black shawl. Sometimes I keep it in my work bag, or I think I might just tie it onto the sides of my work bag. And sometimes, but not all the time, only if I may be running late, I may have my makeup bag. I think there you go. And as I said, it's nylon, so even though it's so full, it doesn't even feel that full actually. It is perfect. I'm so like, if all of this was in my leather work bags, this would be so heavy. This was such a great investment. And I can already see myself having this bag for like years to come. So that is what fits into my work bag. Comment down below if you guys are enjoying this type of content. And I will see you in my next video.